yelled at by Edgar so bad.
Somebody once told me. That's how you start the video.
Hurt's bummed because this weekend rolled him.
A great weekend.
Isn't the song "Somebody's Gonna Roll Me"?
Oh yeah. No, I didn't roll.
He's not the sharpest tool in the shed. So on that note, this weekend went amazing. We got lots of laps, shredded the mountain, had a lot of fun, had a competition. Driving got reckless. I lost power steering and still turned a shitload of laps. Check it out. And what we were doing, but having a blast up here at Drift Appalachia. Super stoked. It's so cool that we get to do this. Big vibe check for sure for drifting. Bro, that was some heat. I was inside of your car the whole time.
I felt you.
That was so good.
I felt something up next to me and I was like, I guess I gotta go faster.
Well, one time you transitioned while I was still on the inside because I couldn't slow down enough. And I was like, this is it. But you gave me a little extra room because you knew I was there.
I told you I had used too much e-brake.
It was so good. looks like somebody wrecked, so we're gonna have a look to see what's going on here when we get over here. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Tie rod snap.
Oh no! Yeah, boy! Super successful day. Lots of laps. Short day, only from 10 to 3. I got to drive in 4 out of 5 sessions. Lots of good tandem. Lots of chase runs. Put some lead runs down. It's tough to line up with people, so tomorrow we're like making strict plans to do all of that, so we can get laps with everybody. But still, I probably did 8 or 9 pulls back and forth, so what would be 16 or 18 runs. Car did well, lots of laps per tire, which is good. And now we're headed down into town to link up with the rest of the Drift Appalachia nerds and have some fun. What's up?
Oh, you're 4 deep. Yeah. 4 deep.
It's a bit of a thing.
Alright, really good job. Alright, 3, what do you think you've been doing? 2, 1. Alright, cool.
We're all like, everyone out. How awkward. Oh, now it's really illegal.
He just crashed into the truck.
Dad's gonna be so mad. Bro, Vaughn already called me. He's so mad. Dad is so mad.
No, he's not.
Yes, he's so mad.
For what?
We're not allowed to drive these cars.
What's this?
No.
Up.
I'm just with you. Your face was like,
Dad's mad. Oh no.
look, you're not getting gas here. You can buy Pennzoil inside.
Right.
Honestly, what you should do is a big burnout in the parking lot. Prove them wrong.
Leave some sheets on the ground, dude.
While you're taking a shit.
I'm gonna sheet my pants.
Yo, the Sheets crew, we're deep, bro. While I'll be calling the cops on us, Sheets is just the right amount of hood, bro.
The MTO, man.
They
We got RTR here.
corn fed, bro.
One's about to appear out of the bushes, just swinging his
Oh,
arm.
he is. Yeah. He's gonna be like, what a dickhead, dude. Well, we were here. We were good for a minute. Now we're getting yelled at by Edgar so bad. Dad's so mad.
Oh, nice.
How dare you? That's so
I don't mean to
rude.
push your buttons or anything. I said it's like a Harlequin backpack. V-dub, big V-dub guy.
Made me feel cool.
It's recycled and it's good for the environment.
Is it though?
No, definitely not.
This is what Chelsea does. I gotta get in the back of this thing, dude.
This is the most Fast and the Furious shit I've done in a long time.
It's like fucking reckless.
Honestly, the people here love it though. Like, no
They
one-
do. Everybody
no one
loves it.
else is
Everybody
saying
loves it. At the end of the day, what we did last session, was that the plan?
Yeah.
Okay, last session, I'm not gonna drive. I'm gonna judge the shit out of all of you.
Fun,
And the
fun
two most baddest motherfuckers are gonna win some coilovers from BC. BC wants to kind of help invigorate this type of driving and reward good driving. So I was like, dude, I'll go there and pick some people that are shredding. So it could be 2 people that are running solo, or it could be a tandem pair of people. So, but yeah, not to make it like a competition or anything. It's the whole session. The whole last session is just for fun. But I'm gonna pick out the best either tandem or solo runs. And you get some coilovers. Last session of the day, spur of the moment. We're giving away 2 sets of BC coilovers to the gnarliest drivers of this last session. If you've made it this far, you're obviously good enough, but you haven't crashed your car.
There might be a tow truck involved.
Behind the scenes, people were coming up to me like, oh, let's get some tips, because I kept it very vague. I was like, look dangerous, do the best you can. It's like a Tampa Pro-Am style jam session at the end, and we want to make the 2 people who have the best runs, whether in tandem or solo, they'll get some coilovers from BC, so they're gonna start here in a minute. And I told everybody to just look dangerous. So hopefully everybody makes it through this. He stayed in his lane. Needs a taillight after that one, dude. That's nowhere near where you're supposed to be, but high five. That was really good. Supposed to be.
I in there,
I love it though. Yo, cause if they do hit, it'll work. Cause the track will be free there. That was a lot of cars stacked. I don't have that many sets of coilovers. Ram's hanging out the window like this, but he's like not looking. He's like, I gotta concentrate and not die. Rich and Grant look really good. That Miata is killing it every run, though.
Dude, every run.
Every run. I'm like, you know he's cheesing you, peppering you. gotta give 3 away. Both of the S13s and the orange Miata.
Damn, too close.
Respect.
One drift Indy. It's good for us. One for you.
Cash is like a close one, but he had no good tandem for what I was looking at during the jam session. So he definitely had some heat for leads, but the Miata had the same thing and had some good tandems. So this dude's shipping this thing up right now, dude. I'm sorry. I saw you go like this. I watched yours. There were a couple people that were so deep. I was like, I'm turning around, and then I'm watching to make sure they've pulled it off.
What, like me?
Yeah. Oh, yo. Yard sailed that thing. I'm like, saw you bust in the frame. I'm like, not a chance. No, it was sick.
Where's my wing?
It's all that. The wing is not broken. It
No
looks like it's
way.
okay. Yeah.
Sick.
Maybe
That's
the
cool.
mounts, but the
Whatever.
wing is all
That's
there.
cool.
You guys were really good.
Yeah.
But not good enough. Oh, close.
Did you get your flick off?
Everybody. I saw you. I have it on video. You're like, you did it, but you're like so focused on what's in front of you that it's like really funny. Man, who would have thought in 2024 single cam KAs would be winning?
Let's go, dude.
You guys won.
Oh, shit. Hell yeah.
Because this jam session and you guys had the tightest tandems for the whole session the entire time. There were a couple times where there was some mistakes. It was the dudes in front of you that
No
were your
hydro the
fault.
whole session. Lost my e-brake. I was like, fuck.
No hydro.
No e-brake at
Were
all.
you chasing down the hill? Who was chasing down the hill?
Me. Yeah.
Your transition into the right-hander after us every single time. I'm like, that's not gonna work every time, and it did every time. It was like you were like gonna use him as a bumper.
I trust my boy, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
We drive
for
together
sure.
a lot, so.
For sure. Good job, guys.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much. Dude, you won.
Did I actually?
Yeah.
Dude, that's
Thank you so much.
So the other two, I actually picked 3 winners. The other 2 dudes were running tandem and they were doing good and they had really good runs. But your solo runs were the best, and every time you tandem, you were right there with everybody too.
I was
so.
trying, dude.
Yeah, your
Probably the lowest
duration
car
of
here.
the whole jam session was like dialed.
Dude,
the
I didn't-
guardrail one was it, dude.
That
Tail
was
lights,
so
that was-
spicy.
Bro, your left tire mark was over the line. Like the wrong one was over the line. Well, the weekend went really, really well. My car timely lost power steering. I think it is the rack. I've never lost a rack in 15, 18 years of driving these cars, but seems like that is it. Gave away some BC coilovers at the end. Ended up giving away 3 sets, not just 2, because 3 people were killing it. Here goes Taylor Ray. He's leaving. It's your boy, Taylor Ray. It's your boy, Grant Anderson. The vlog's longer. Yep, I'll see you later. Lost power steering with 2 sessions to go, and I judged the last session to give away some coilovers, so everything ended up okay. We're gonna go and put a new rack and pump in this thing, put an inline filter in it, do the normal setup that I do when we replace all this, so it's all nice and new, and it'll be ready to go again. Outside of that, it's been shredding, having fun, and these events are awesome. There's really an opportunity for everybody to hang out, enjoy driving. You don't have to drive every session. You can plan to drive with different people. You can switch around on the downhill and the uphill, and just turn lots of laps and have fun. There's a high level of danger to it, which keeps everybody really honest and respectful of everything, and I think that kind of helps everything. So big thanks to Drift Appalachia for having us out. Obviously, West Virginia for being able to close these roads and let us have some fun.